In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to route a document in DocuSign, step by step. If you need multiple people to sign a document in a specific order, this is the exact process you should follow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your document, add recipients, set the signing order, add fields, and send it out confidently. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can manage and send envelopes. From the dashboard, click on the Start button. This is where you begin creating and routing a new document for signature. After clicking Start, you'll be prompted to upload the document you want to send. Click on Upload. A file selection window will appear. Choose Desktop if your file is saved locally on your computer, or navigate to wherever your file is stored. Select the document you want to route and upload it into DocuSign. Once your document is uploaded, the next step is to add your recipients. In the recipient section, fill in the name and email address of the first person who needs to sign the document. Make sure the email address is accurate, because this is where the signing notification will be sent. If you need more than one person to sign, click on Add Recipient. This allows you to include additional signers, carbon copy recipients, or other roles depending on your workflow. After clicking Add Recipient, fill in the details for the second recipient, including their name and email address. You can continue adding as many recipients as necessary for your document. Now here's the important part when routing a document: setting the signing order. You can drag and drop the recipients to arrange them in the correct sequence. For example, if one person must sign before the next person receives the document, make sure they are listed in the proper order. DocuSign will automatically send the document to the first signer, and once they complete it, it will move to the next person in line. After confirming the recipient details in order, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the document editing view, where you assign signature and other required fields. At the top of the screen, select the first recipient from the drop-down menu. This ensures that any fields you place on the document are assigned to the correct person. Now drag and drop the necessary elements onto the document. Typically, you'll want to add a signature field wherever that recipient needs to sign. You can also add date sign fields, text fields, checkboxes, or other required elements depending on your needs. Position them accurately on the document. Once you've added fields for the first recipient, go back to the recipient dropdown and select the next recipient. This step is crucial because each signer must have their own assigned fields. With the second recipient selected, drag and drop the required elements onto the document in the appropriate locations. Again, add signature fields, dates, or any additional information fields as needed. Repeat this process for every recipient in your routing list. Before sending, quickly review the entire document. Make sure every signer has the correct fields assigned and that the signing order is accurate. This helps avoid delays or corrections later. Finally, click on Send. DocuSign will now route the document automatically based on the order you set. The first recipient will receive an email notification to sign, and once they complete their part, it will move on to the next recipient until the process is fully completed. And that's it. You've successfully routed a document in DocuSign with the correct signing order and assigned fields. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.